Well, hey, everybody. Welcome to the Miller Family Wine School. My name is Wes Hagan, and I'm the consulting winemaker and the brand ambassador for the Miller Family Wine Company. If you're interested in our company, you can always go over and check out millerfamilywines.com or millerfamilywinecompany.com, as well as millerfamilywineclub.com. Today, we're starting a new educational series, just quick little lessons about how to start loving wine and some deeper dives into some other subjects. But today, we're starting with a really important subject that we can't go any further until we get in, and that is how to choose a bottle of wine. So what I'd like to say is there's three real ways to choose a bottle of wine. And sometimes, as you can see when we're looking at a supermarket shelf, it seems a little overwhelming. So the first idea I would have is to ask a friend, coworker, or someone you know that has always loved wine and has a good mind for wine. Say, hey, I'm looking for a bottle of $15 Chardonnay. What do you recommend? The second option, of course, would be to check the magazine's websites for ratings. Whether you're looking for a 1 to 20 rating, a 1 to 5 stars, you can go to Wine Searcher, you can go to Wine Spectator, Wine Advocate, Venice. You can look at all, you can look at all of these things and try to get a good option. And then, of course, the third one is just to take a chance. We are living in the golden age of wine right now, where it's almost difficult to find a bad bottle of wine. So as long as you choose a wine from a reputable producer, I think whatever money you spend right now in wine, you're going to be really rewarded by taking a chance. So you might want to start, if you're first starting out, you might want to start with something a little off dry. You might want to try like maybe a sparkling Moscato, which is a beautiful, lightly sweet wine. You can look for, go to your local brick and mortar store or go online and look for something off dry white or off dry red. And again, you can always go to the professionals in the magazines. There's so many sort of references now on the internet to really get an idea of, if you look at it just like buying a TV, go check the ratings, and generally when something's crowdsourced, you'll get something delicious. But don't forget to take a chance too. And when you have a chance, do check out Miller Family Wines. I think we have some amazing wines that you can give a shot to too, and they're great value. And I'll leave you with this one last little lesson, and that is the letters QPR in wine. They stand for quality to price ratio. And what that means is the higher the QPR, that means the more wine you get for your money. So you can always hope to learn how to find those wines that give you great QPR. Thanks for being here at the Miller Family Wine School, and I hope you'll keep watching these short little lessons. Thanks again.